In this example, we're looking at casting magic. It's the human's magic phase, so they can cast a spell if they have anybody with the ability to do so. Looking on the board, they have the wizard, which has the special magic, which means he can cast spells. If he was still unrevealed, at this stage, you would have to flip him over in order to cast a spell. First things first is to check the range on the spell. Range is 3, works exactly like ranged combat, where you can count up to 3 spaces, horizontally and vertically, to work out who is in range. In this case, the wizard is aiming at the boar riders. 1, 2, 3, they are within range of the wizard. Next, he selects a spell. In this case, he's going to try a fireball from the deck. I'll just put it here to make it easier. So the number in the top left-hand corner, 18, is the casting cost for the fireball. So in order to cast it, the wizard must roll 2d6 plus his magic score and equal or beat that casting score. Wizard's got a magic score of 12. Just pick up the 2 dice. Give them a roll. 6. Plus the wizard's magic score is a total of 18. That equals or beats the score for casting the fireball. This means the fireball has been successfully cast. So now we can look at the information on the card. Opponent must roll 8 plus on 2d6 plus the card's magic score, or the card is removed from play. The boar riders have a magic score of 0. They take their 2 dice, give them a roll. They've only scored 6, which is not enough. So the human player takes them into their conquered pile. The fireball is now placed off the board. This would be the case if it was successfully cast. Even if the boar riders had rolled to beat the score there and remained on play, the fireball is now what we call spell exhaustion. So this spell cannot be used again, but the wizard can continue to cast other spells in other magic phases. There's a limit of 1 magic spell per phase, until they're all exhausted, in which case, once all have been used, they all come back into play. If you have more than one wizard, they can continue to cast spells in the same magic phase, but only if you have failed the casting roll previously. As soon as one spell is successfully cast, even if the resolution does not lead to a card being removed from play, that is the end of the magic phase.